Welcome on YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a quick little project that I want to get done today. I finally, after weeks and weeks of procrastination, I finally got the fender trim. I ordered it from carparts.com. It was reasonable price. However, it comes prime, so I'm going to have to get it painted. But I already did a test fit. It fits perfect. It also comes with the clips. As you can see, those holes, it comes with the clips. Somewhere right here, it comes with the clips for me to clip on the fender trim onto the car. So that's awesome. I wasn't expecting to get the clips with these. So this is just me doing a quick little test fit again, so you guys can see it looks so much better with the fender trim on there. You know, it's on there for a reason. And then also what I want to do today as well, I bought this I think it's a half inch vinyl white wrap, because I want to wrap the edge of the splitter. I want to give it a little white line going around the splitter, just to give it a little bit more flair. So I'm gonna do that today as well. This I got from Amazon. Had some great reviews on there, some bad ones, some good ones, but overall I bought it and I just want to test it out. So we're gonna get that done today, and I'm gonna bring you guys along for the journey. Also, this fender trim here, I'm gonna have to go to a shop and have one of my friends paint this fender trim for me so it matches back with the original car color. So I'm gonna take you guys on that journey today. We're gonna do this today as well, so stay tuned. Alrighty, so I'm gonna start with this little project first. I'm thinking I'm gonna start from the edge right there, go all the way around the splitter. Like I said, I am using a 1/2 inch vinyl wrap, white. Hopefully it sticks. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay it first, and then I'm gonna apply heat to it so it stays. So I just got this done. Now it's time for me to go to the body shop so they can spray. I'm gonna give them the fender trim to spray to match the color, and then once they're done with that, it might take a day or two. Once they're done with that, then I'll install it on to the fender and get my van back in one piece. But I think the white outline on the splitter came out great. The splitter is more defined now. I think I might change those rods to white so it looks more uniformed. So we'll see, I'll think about it. But now I'm just gonna head to the shop, drop off this fender trim, and then we go from there. So I have it here in the trunk, so stay tuned.
The next day.
Alrighty, so the trim has been painted and it's ready to go. So now what's left to do is to fit it on. It already has the clips here in the back ready to go. So I just have to fit it on and get my van back in one piece. It's a little bit windy today, so I apologize for what you guys may be hearing in the background right now, but let's get this done. Alrighty, so this is the final look. The truck is back in one piece. No more missing fender flares. I also went ahead and I put on the flare that came with the splitter. So that's complete now. I'll give you a look around to see what the final product looked like with the white strip that we put on the splitter. That came out really nice, and I'm really happy with what I'm seeing right now. So that should be it for my little video today. If this video helps you in any way, please drop a like, drop a comment. If you have any questions for me, I'll be happy to answer any questions that you guys have for me. And also share the video, man. I see the channel is growing, and I really appreciate that. I do have some other projects coming up. Also, I think it's time for me to get some rims and tires, get the truck lowered, maybe some lowering springs. So yeah, we do have some more content coming up, and keep supporting the channel. Peace.